Good morning, my fellow apes. We're going to do a quick little morning update here on Clover Health. It's nothing too exciting from yesterday's videos. I'm going to pull back here to the 20-minute chart and see what we're looking at. This here is going to be the last couple days. Obviously, Monday, that was Friday's run up and down, and then the pre-market going into it. So what we have right here is more of a consolidation around the 950 range. That's what we're seeing here. Pre-market is currently down 2.5%, which isn't really that crazy. I mean, it had a run up yesterday of 9%, almost 10, the day before 10. So for it to have a little bit of a pullback in pre-market, that's really not that crazy. We look at our level 2 data book here. We don't have any major sell orders coming through currently in the pre-market. So that's a positive. We do have big buys if it were to take a dip down significantly to the 920 range. You can see there 10,000 purchase order down there. But all of these are also subject to change, so keep that in mind if you're looking into it. If you want to stay the hell out of the Weeble comment, that would probably be for the best. The bears come out to play anytime there's red in the market. Looking at a couple of the other ones that had some good run-ups. We definitely have some downs from yesterday. Sundial's moving up a little bit. It's nothing too exciting happening here, but there's still a lot of red in the market. And for any stock to be up in a red market, that's always a plus. Take a look over here at the general world markets. Are all pretty red, so it could just be one of those days where everything kind of takes a dump. Fisker, on the other hand, moving up. Fisker has been way down. Fisker was 26 bucks not that long ago, so it's pretty crazy that it's half of what it used to be. I always lose money on Fisker, so I just stopped playing that game. Fisker looks like it's going to go up, and then it ends up going down. Looks like it's going to go down, it ends up going way up. Sundial still leads the volume gain. Clover Health not doing too bad either. Almost 500,000 in pre-market. Now keep in mind that people are going to say, oh, the volume's low volume, blah, blah, blah. Like the average volume for this is 23 million. And we have seen in the last 2 days a crazy amount of volume traded. So the lower volume really isn't bad. It actually makes it a safer bet. So you can easily get 10% gains on low volume. That, when there's higher volume, that just means there's a lot more trading happening in the market. So it's not necessarily a good thing. It will make things a lot more volatile. So if you get a 15 or 20% run up on high volume, that volume can stay as consistent. You could easily see those gains get eaten up by sell volume. Volume is volume. It's not one directional. So keep that in mind. We can easily have a 1050 day today on lower volume, half of what it's been trading at, which would actually be a lot more consistent. You wouldn't have to worry so much about it just instantly tanking. GameStop's just kind of holding still. This one had a big run up yesterday, and then it just tanked. I think it was up 24%, and now it's just kind of giving almost all of it back. Actually, it's 11.15, so that kind of sucks. But if you're playing Clove like me and you're wondering what's going to happen with it today, just looking over the chart here, and I am going to stream it live all day as well, because why not? You can see the chart if you don't have access to it. And like I said, looking back here at our longer term, we could look at this and think this is a head and shoulders, but that's not really a head. This is more of just a sideways trade holding this line. So as long as it holds the line here, has a slight incline over 10, you're fine. I'm sure we will see some dips again today like we've seen every day. So if you want to trade the dip, I highly encourage it. Market opens in 45 minutes. So if you're seeing this prior to that, keep that in mind. I'm going to hold on to what I got. I'm not going to take an L unless something else ends up going absolutely crazy. Look at that, 5X Prime's delisted. It used to be on my watch list, or at least recently viewed. Huh. Interesting. But yeah, that's the start to Tuesday. So good luck out there, apes. NMC's not doing much. not a whole else is real exciting yet, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Even Doge, I think people were waiting on Doge to do something, and Doge just pretty much rolled sideways. So, good luck out there if you are holding some calls or some puts. More power to you. I am definitely not about to risk it on that just yet. There's a lot of open interest on the calls, so yeah, people are looking to it to the upside. I'll catch you on the next one.